all? So today the case study will be going to be start with the sequence series. Okay. So anyone knows the natural numbers?
So it is very starting the number from 1 up to 10.
Very good. So the starting number from 1 to also 1 infinity. N terms or maybe the infinity terms. Okay. So what is a sequence? Very good. It is a ordered pair and nth term. What do you mean by nth term? See. Nth term. Nth term is that? What do you mean by nth term? Anyone. Anyone. The number should be any number. Okay. So எந்த நம்பரை நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ணாலும் the value will be coming to the same number. Okay. Then difference. What do you mean by common difference? Yes? Anyone? Order pair என்ன first? What do you mean by order pair?
Sequence of
Very good. Another. It is a ordered pair. It will be a common difference. That's all. Okay, lah. Common difference is that. Yes. Now the current term minus previous term. So see in this current term minus previous term, see that 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So, the current term minus previous term, it is called a common difference. Okay. So, what do you mean by sequence? Sequence na yenna? Sequence it will be like a numbers or numbers. Yenna nama solluvom?
numbers.
Good. It is a numbers. So, numbers வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்?
Arrange.
It is a arrange. Very good. It's a ordered parallel. So, what is that? Nth formula. Very good. Another. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Very good. So, இதில் வந்து நாம A nth term நாம போடலாம். Okay. Did you know the last term? What is the form of last term? Very good. Another. A என்பதுனா நம்ம ஜெனரல் ரிப்ளேஸ் பண்ணாலே போதும். இது கான்செப்ட் லாஸ்ட் வந்து A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We replace the value of L. Last time of the we replace A into L. So that is not here. Okay. Next. Sequence. What do you mean by sequence? Yes.
Minus plus.
Okay, that it is a sum. Around the sum. So every value to using the sum. Plus. So that is called a sum. அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So இதை வந்து நாம SN series. Series na it will be sum that it will be series. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. இதை வந்து நாம sum அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay. Then see what is the SN? The sum of natural number. Sum of natural number க்கான ஃபார்முலா என்ன சொல்ல பார்க்கலாம்.
N into n plus 1 by 2.
Good. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Very good. So இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி நாம n க்கு நாம வந்து 5 க்கு வேற ஒரு வேல்யூ கொடுத்து So ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும்?
Same number.
It is a same number. அதாவது fifth up to 5 terms வந்து ஆட் பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வருமோ that is the okay but so n into n plus 1 that will replace 5 into 6 divided by 2 அப்படினா 2 க்கு 6 என்ன வரும் 3 times வருமா so 3 5 are 15. So up to 5 now, what is the answer? It will be a fifth. But what is the sequence of fifth term? Sequence of fifth term can answer. Sequence of fifth term, what is the answer? Anyone? Sum of natural number.
Square root.
Yes, how's it? Sum of sequence clear. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The sequence fifth term and the same number of 5 sequence, but series का पेर 5 numbers ये होता add करा, which answer that will be the answer. Okay, right. So now tell me that odd number sequence of sum of the odd number. Sum of the odd numbers.
Sn equal to n square.
Sn is equal to n square. So it's a very simplest form. So n square. If you apply the n first, apply 1. Apply what is the answer? It will be 1. Very good. Then next, the value of 2. 2 apply for n square is 4. Sum of odd numbers 1 plus 3 and 4. So n square is 4. So the sum of odd numbers, you know what is the formula? Sn is equal to n square. That's all. So today we learn about the VQAR, that verbal quantitative aptitude. That is a very big topic of arithmetic progression. That arithmetic progression is a topic of arithmetic progression and sequence and series. Okay, thank you.